Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be recreating the cool kinetic text featured in the recent Beats advert. It's pretty versatile and it can be distorted in different ways and applicable on many fonts. Alright, let's get started. Give your comp a name. And as always, I'll be using 1920 by 1080 pixels with 30 frames per second. Cool. Today we're not going to be using the import selection. We'll be trying something new, but first we'll need a background. Right-click the timeline and select your new solid. For this, I'll be using a bold yellow tone, but any color will do. Once you're happy with the color, let's create the text layer. Select the frame and type up your first letter. Click and drag to scale. And drag to adjust the letter. Count how many letters you have and use Command D or Control D on your keyboard to duplicate the amount of letters. Hit P to open position, then click and drag to bring the letters out. Click a layer and change the letter for each layer accordingly. Zoom in if you need. Now we'll tackle the new skill of Puppet Tool. Select the pin icon and place a pin in each area you'd like to hold down. We'll be pulling these nodes to manipulate the letters later. Complete the same process for your other letters. Then select one letter and drag the playhead about 2 to 3 seconds from the original position. Select the yellow node, one at a time, to position how the letters will look at the end of the sequence. You can be as creative as you like in this part. Once you're ready, hit U on your keyboard and select each frame. Select F9 on your keyboard and open up Graph Editor. Make sure you're on Speed Graph as always and expand the scale if necessary. Select all keyframes and pull the yellow handle inwards. Repeat this for the other side. Add motion blur to smooth it. And feel free to preview your work. That's very important. If it needs to be a little faster, you can move the keyframes a little closer. This will increase the speed of the movement. Hit U to hide the keyframes. Select each frame and right-click. Select Pre-Compose, which will merge the layers into one clip. You can always double-tap the recomposition to make any more changes to the layer. If you're liking this tutorial so far, please consider subscribing to join our free weekly tutorials and hit that bell icon to get notified. Now you can duplicate the layer via Command D. Then cut one of the layers and reverse the layer. Move it to the end of the clip. Cut the first clip and preview. Then we can adjust as necessary.
Hey,
Let's tile the lettering to finish it off. Select both layers using Shift and pre-compose them. Head over to Effects and Presets and type up Motion Tile. Double click to add. And drag output width and output height. Then click the drag scale outwards to reveal the tile effect. I'm going 3x3. Preview. Looks good to me. If you like this tutorial, I usually make easy videos on how to recreate cool effects from media, and if you're interested in more content like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.